30th Street station area was a major limiting factor for Philadelphia as a city. Tens of thousands of people developed their first impression of Philadelphia coming out of the station every day, and now that UCD has created the porch, that image has drastically changed. So Project for Public Spaces is an international not-for-profit organization that supports communities around the world creating great public spaces. And we see the porch and what University City District has done there as an international model for innovative placemaking and what we call lighter, quicker, cheaper improvements. UCD offers a model, I think, for other cities to manage public spaces holistically. And UCD has implemented this model incredibly well in the porch and in some of the other public plazas and parklets that they've innovated on. And this is inspiring the rest of Philadelphia and other cities as well. UCD has really taken the lead on innovating and placemaking in many levels. What they've done is they've built on the typical services of business improvement districts that other cities are doing around the country and been proactive in activating these spaces, really drawing on the broad range of skills that they have in staff and through their partnerships in the community to create vibrant public spaces that lead change in their district.
The partnership between the University City District and the Philadelphia Police Department here in the city is a national model as far as I'm concerned, and if it's not considered to be, it should be. I've been fortunate enough to work in 3 different cities, and I've not seen a city where the level of cooperation between local police and the university community is as robust as it is here in Philadelphia. It's very apparent that the partnership has worked. You know, the universities are constantly expanding. The young people that are going to the universities are expanding off campus. So it is really, really important that we maintain our cooperation and coordination and continue to push forward. For me, most about the university-city partnership that we have with the University of Pennsylvania, Drexel, University of Sciences is part of this as well, is the closeness of all the agencies that are involved and just how well we work together. So I can't think of a more cooperative environment to work in.
The West Philadelphia Skills Initiative is a place-based effort that understands the importance of anchor institutions in the economy. With 70,000 jobs in 1 square mile in West Philadelphia, it provides an innovative way to approach how a community can look at the variety of those jobs and be able to define the skills that are necessary to obtain those jobs. These jobs are very diverse in opportunity and skill sets, but they are not always clear to the residents as to what skills are necessary in order to access those jobs and get into a career there. I think what's innovative about the West Philadelphia Skills Initiative is that it is trying to change the way the anchor institutions look at workforce development. It is very important that those institutions be able to find high-quality labor in their communities.
So placemaking is about creating change with the people that are affected and impacted and helping them determine the speed of the change, but really looking at how to use change as a way of creating and building more sustainable, viable, vibrant cities and neighborhoods.
Because that's what creative placemaking is all about. Art and artists lead the way to impact the community and engage the community. The idea of bringing art and artists into the process early and also doing a series of temporary installations to see how the public reacts, to see how they engage with the art, is a very, very forward-thinking model and is going to be copied by other public spaces going forward.
UCD is unique in how they have many different skills in-house, but also how all these skills are working together.
And I think the model that UCD is using is exactly the right way to create great public spaces.
They are providing young people with a whole different understanding of what careers can be.
I think the next 15 years will be even more exciting than the past 15 years.